This is your angel's message for today. And now you're saying this message in May 30, 2025. And I want you to think of the situation, that current situation on your mind na kailangan mo ng guidance from your spirit guides. And you didn't see this message accidentally. Now you're here, kailangan mong marinig tong message na to from your angels and spirit guides. Okay? So, sabi dito, perfect timing. So, I'm feeling like you wanted to give up on something na parang gusto mo ng sukuan or feeling ko nasagad ka na. It's love and career. So, whatever works for you. Pero ang nakikita ko kasi dito, dear, you wanted to give up kasi parang ito na yung pinaka effort mo, na-reach na yung maximum ng iyong patience sa isang situation and you wanted to give up kasi yun yung tamang gagawin mo dapat. You have to remain positive because there is a reason bakit na-delayed. Alam mo yung bagay na minamadali, mabilis mawala yan. And sabi ng cards mo dito, na wag mong sukuan. Pwede kang magpahinga, pero wag mong sukuan. For some of you, pagod na kayo. Kasi ginawa nyo naman lahat, pero walang nangyari. Ang sabi ng cards mo dito, wag mong sukuan kasi may dahilan kung bakit yan nangyayari. So, kung hindi daw nag-work, okay lang, ganun talaga. May mga bagay na hindi talaga nag-work out. And there is a no card here kasi may reason kung bakit nangyayari yung ganyang bagay. Okay, so get more information. So, sabi rin sa'yo dito, bago ka mag-judge or bago mo husga ng isang bagay, get more facts, get more, alam mo yung tamang evidence, bago mo pagdesisyon na naiwanan yung tao na yan na nasa isip mo, alamin mo muna, ano ba talagang totoong nangyari? 'Di ba? Bago mo siya i-judge, bago mo siya iwanan or iwasan, bago mo iwanan yung career mo, sabi dito, pag-isipan mong mabuti. And look for a sign because there is a lot of possibilities and synchronicities from the universe na hindi mo namamalayan. Ito na pala. Kaya pala nangyayari ito para sa akin kasi ito yung sitwasyon ko ngayon at napakahirap nito. Sabi dito, handa ka na. So, you're ready enough to face the consequences of your actions. For some of you, dumaan ka sa matinding introspection, na-realize mo na hindi mo dapat pala gawin. And na-realize mo na ito pala yung dapat mong ginagawa. So, most